Question 8.2. In the diagram below, CD is a common chord of two circles. Straight lines ADE and BCF are drawn. Chords AB and EF are drawn. So CD, that's the chord we have, which is a chord in both circles here. So that's a link between the two circles that we essentially have. And now it says prove that EF is parallel to AB, and that's the two blue lines that are highlighted here. So we need to use some other techniques to either prove corresponding angles, alternate angles, or co-interior angles between these two lines that we need to prove that are parallel. So in order to do that, we can then go ahead and state, and it doesn't look like any Z's for alternate angles, as well as F's, because it doesn't extend past of it. So it looks like our one option that we can try first is our co-interior angles that we need to prove without actually using the co-interior angle reason. So firstly, okay, let's get rid of this so we can see clearly. So firstly, what we can already see is that C2 is equals to angle A, and as you can see, that is exterior angles of a cyclic quad. So let's go ahead and state that. So angle A is equals to C2, exterior angle of a cyclic quad. And thereafter, once we have that, we can also state that in this instance, angle E, and this is also another cyclic quad of the smaller circle now, angle E plus C2 is equal to 180 degrees, because opposite angles of a cyclic quad are supplementary. So here in this instance, just to get it in terms of angle E is equal to 180 minus C2, which is opposite angles of a cyclic quad. You can say that they're supplementary. And thereafter, since C2 is equals to A, we can then replace C2 with A over here. So angle E is equals to 180 degrees minus A. And as you can see here, if we are able to do that, that sorts out our co-interior problem. So then that basically states that if E is 180 minus A, that says that angle E plus angle A is equals to 180 degrees, which therefore means that EF is parallel to AB. So therefore we can say, therefore, EF is parallel to AB, and our reason is co-interior angles add up to or equals to 180 degrees.